Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can set a priority for your tasks on ClickUp really quickly. So let us dive into this. Head over to your workspace on ClickUp. And let's say, for example, I would like to change the priority of one of these tasks we see in that to-do list here. So here to the right on that list, you will see the due date as well as the priority. For example, for task number 2, the priority status is high. But you may change that anytime, guys, by simply clicking on the given task. That is going to redirect you to that customization window here. So here you may change the priority by clicking on priority here and set a custom priority, like for example, low, normal, leave it at high, or urgent, or clear the entire priority. So let me switch from high to urgent because the due date is today. So that's basically it. After that, simply close that window, and as you can see, the priority will be changed, as you can see. So that's basically it. You may also set the priority by clicking on the current priority status here and select one of these below, like normal, for example. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.